Mitraya Namaha. Welcome to Energy Circle's VSP 1080 channel. The success symbol Palita, first time ever. Symbols or mudra chihnas are powerful esoteric expressions which can change the very dimension of situations. Receive the golden key to unlimited energy. Ancient mystic mudra, one and only multifaceted power symbol. Palita. Draw this symbol anywhere to see the magic. Let us upgrade. Stay happy and motivated. Yes, faith is the master key. Receive this ancient mystic mudra chihna, the success symbol Palita. From the days of yore, symbols or mudra chihnas were accepted as the highest form of expression. Some represented evil and some represented good. The swastik and the Om, which are very popular in our tradition, they too are very powerful symbols. Energy circles gives away anything and everything that represents positive energy. The secret Palita symbol engraved upon the chariots and thrones of great kings and ministers has a unique definition. Ishtakamita Maharshi decoded this symbol as equal to Indrastra. It protects. Palita has unique energies that spring into action within no time and clear away the hurdles that hold back your success. Many people strive a lot but are unable to achieve anything. They find several hurdles. Notorious characters who attempt to cause obstacles will be lost into personal complications, thus diverted. Concentration will develop and better opportunities knock your doors by the use of Palita symbol. Riches and the financial situations will very well improve. Speed accelerates and all-round growth could be experienced. Status boom and leadership grace is attained. Draw the symbol anywhere to see the magic. Success symbol Palita, the ancient mystic mudra, one and only multifaceted power symbol. Observe the symbol very carefully. You can draw it with a pen or a chalk piece or even with a finger. You can draw it upon any surface by dipping your index finger into milk. Anyway, you have to ultimately produce this symbol somewhere. Draw this symbol upon a paper and place it in your wallet, cash box, cupboard, briefcase, puja mandir, in your vehicles, upon the main door or any or every door. You can try it out generously to create the best favorable situations in life. Palita can cause Janakarshana, Dhanakarshana and Dharmakarshana powers. If you can chant the Palita Chalana mantra while activating its energy, the results are multifold and manifold. Remember this mantra very well. You have to chant it very perfectly. The next step you have to really understand is you are given one more powerful extra power activation ritual which is optional but very effective too. Light 8 lamps around the Palita symbol and chant the Indrani Uttejita mantra 66 times before using this symbol. You can do it regularly or whenever you like to experience many more wonders. Do it with love and devotion. Later, chant the Palita Chalana mantra 1008 times for intensity. Even if you are not using this ritual, you can directly draw the symbol. It is also powerful. But I am giving you this beautiful technique to see manifold results. But understand, the Uttejita mantra has to be chanted 66 times. Repeat mentally along with me. Indranim Tripureshi Guhyapujita Gireshwari Palita Shakti Siddhikari Harshini Vijayakameshwari Indranim Tripureshi Guhyapujita Gireshwari Palita Shakti Siddhikari Harshini Vijayakameshwari Indranim Tripureshi Guhyapujita Gireshwari Palita Shakti Siddhikari Harshini Vijayakameshwari. Chant this mantra 66 times to gain access and full control upon this Palita success symbol. Now, whenever you are drawing the symbol, you can simply chant the Palita Chalana mantra. That's it. You can chant it. No number, no count, but you can chant it whenever you are applying it. But for the first time, or whenever possible you have time, you have to mount it with more energy. You chant the Palita Chalana mantra 1008 times in one sitting. That will give you extra force and superpower. Chant with me the Palita Chalana mantra. Indrastrayam palitam prakataya. 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 This is a very powerful mantra. You can draw this symbol anywhere very freely, but remember, when you mount yourself with the Indrani Uttejita mantra 66 times chanting, and this beautiful Palita Chalana mantra 1008 times chanting. You can do it in the morning, anytime, and you are charged for 1 day or 2 days or 3 days or even for a week. Later, in emergency situations, you just need to chant the Palita Chalana mantra Indrastrayam Palitam Prakataya 3 times while you are drawing this symbol or applying this symbol or visualizing this symbol or using the card or a paper upon which it is already encrypted. You can use this anywhere. You can very generously use this symbol. Trust me, this is going to be a miracle for you. There are countless secret symbols, ancient mudra chihnas, which will be gradually, occasionally revealed to you. But fall in love with the symbol. The symbol will uplift you. You will find great miracles happening in your life. You can draw it anywhere, inscribe it anywhere, use it upon your letterheads. You can even print it upon your visiting cards in a lighter color, light grey color or a golden color behind in the background. You can use it in your offices. You can use it at your workplace. You can use it upon your cupboards, with your cash boxes, in your wallets, or with your passport, with your visiting cards, or where your products are displayed for sale. Whatever business you are doing, please use this beautiful Palita symbol very generously and you will find miracles happening. The moment you hear the chanting, you are considered as initiated. Digvijayi Bhava, Aditya Sakshi, Sampurna Raksha. Mitraya Namaha. Welcome to Energy Circle's VSP 1080 channel. Thank you for the amazing response. Please do not forget to pass it on and subscribe. Thank you very much. Aditya Sakshi, Sampurna Raksha.